Madonna's, this pumpkin carrot rice will have you wanting seconds. Trust me, I love it. My family love this rice. Let's dive into it. So I am just gonna grate 3 carrots and a piece of pumpkin. I am going to use parboiled rice for this recipe. So I'm going to use about 3 cups of rice. I am going to wash it and then season it. So as you know, whatever you put coconut milk into, always give it a nice flavor. So I'm gonna add some nougat to this. I'm gonna add like a teaspoon of Maggie. The Maggie give it a nice flavor as well. Just gonna add 2 strips of scallion. Now I'm going to add the grated carrot and pumpkin. If you reach this far in the video, remember to give it a like. So as you can see, I did not put the pumpkin down. I wanted the rice to cook properly, and then I'll be able to just mix it in. So I cover it and let it simmer. in a cup of mixed vegetable. And then just cover it to simmer. Just allow it to cook. Guys, I'm telling you, this rice, it was off the train. I'm telling you, it was so good. So good.